Good morning students. So the question is prove that 3 to the power minus 3 into 6 square into root over 98 divide by 5 square into cube of 1 by 25 into 15 power minus 4 by 3 into 3 power 1 by 3 equals to 28 root 2. So we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. So by taking LHS we will prove the RHS. So LHS is 3 power minus 3, we will write 3 power minus 3 as it is, into 6 square. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Using the law of exponent, we will solve this problem. And if I take LCM of 98, so we get 2 into 7 divided by 5 square into cube of 1 by 25 can be written as 1 by 5 square, 5 5s are 25, multiply 15 can be written as 3 into 5 power minus 4 by 3 into 3 power 1 by 3. This is the first step. Then coming to the second step, 3 power minus 3, 2 into 3 square can be written as 2 square into 3 square. By using the law of exponent, a power m into b power n, b power m is equal to ab power m. So bases are different, powers are same, so we have to multiply the bases. So here the bases are given 2 into 3 power 2. So if we take single power, so it can be written as 2 square into 3 square. So into, if I take square root of 2 into 7, so it will become 7 root 2 divided by 5 square into cube of 1 by 5 square can be written as, if I take root of a, so it can be written as a power 1 by 2. If I take cube of a, so it can be written as a power 1 by 3. So cube of 1 by 5 square can be written as 1 by 5 square power of 1 by 3 multiply by, same we will open 2 square into 3 square to like 3 into 5 also. So this will become 3 power minus 4 by 3 into 5 power minus 4 by 3 into 3 power 1 by 3. So then for 3 both the bases are same and the powers are different. We can use first law of exponent, which is a power m into a power n, which is equal to a power m plus n. If it is multiply sign and the bases are same and powers are different or same, we can add the power and write the single base. So for 3, it will become 3 power minus 3 plus 2 into 2 square into 7 root 2. So this will become then 5 square divided by denominator 5 square. Then we use another law of exponent. If the power of a single base is 2, so the power will be multiplied. So this will become a power mn. So we have to multiply the power. So the power inside the bracket is 2 and the power outside the bracket is 1 by 3. For 1, if you multiply 1 to any power, it will be 1. But 5 will become, if I multiply 2 into 1 by 3, so this will become 5 power 2 by 3 into, taking again 3 same base. So 3 will, what is the power? Minus 4 by 3, we have to add minus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3. At last 5 power minus 4 by 3. So this will become 3 power minus 3 plus 2, 3 power minus 1. Write 2 square into 7 root 2 as it is, so that we can get the right hand side easily. So no need to expand, no need to write root 2 as 2 power 1 by 2, because in RHS we have to show 28 root 2. So is it easily showing 2 square into 7 is 28. Also root 2 is there. So then we have to write 5 square as it is. Also one more law of exponent will use here, 1 by a. If I write 1 by a, if I reciprocal it, this will become a power minus 1, because the power of a is 1. So if I reciprocal, the power will become negative. So it will become a power minus 1. So here the power of 5 is 2 by 3. So if I reciprocal, the power will become negative. So this will be 5 power minus 2 by 3 into If I solve this minus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3, this will become 3 power minus 3 by 3 multiply by 5 power minus 4 by 3. Then again we have to write same 3 raised to the power minus 1 2 square into 7 root 2 divided by same base 5 and 5. So this will become 5 power 2 minus 2 by 3, because the sign is minus plus minus will become minus. Then we have 5 again, we have to write here 5 power minus 4 by 3. Then we have to write 3 power minus 3 by 3. Then coming to the next step, 3 power minus 1, numerator will remain same. Now we have to solve the denominator. Continue. 5 power 2 minus 2 by 3 will become 5 power 4 by 3. Then we have 5 power minus 4 by 3 multiply by 3 power minus 3 by 3. So this will become minus 1. 3 power minus 3 by 3 become 3 power minus 1. We can cancel 3 power minus 1, 3 power minus 1. But if we use law of exponent, so this is in the divide position. So if the bases are same and it is divide, so this law will be used. A power m divided by a power n, which is equal to a power m minus n. So we have to, for multiplication we have to add the power, for division we have to subtract the power. So this will become m minus n. So if I take, we can cancel directly, or using the law of exponent, if I write, this will become 3 power minus 1. Already minus sign is there, and in the formula 1 minus is there, that minus will become plus. So this will become 3 power minus 1 plus 1, 2 square into 7 root 2. Then we have same base 5. So this will become 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So 3 power minus 1 plus 1, 3 power 0 multiply by 2 square into 7 root 2 by 5 power 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Again it will become 5 power 0. Using another law of exponent, here a power, if any digit or any number raised to the power 0, the value will become 1. So 3 power 0 will become 1 into 2 square into 7 root 2. 5 raised to 0, again the number raised to the power 0. So this value will be 1. So the next step will be 2 square into 7 root 2. 2 square is 2 into 2. So this will become 4 into 7 into root 2. So we will multiply the number digits, which is 4 and 7. The coefficient of root 2 and 4. So this will become 4 7s are 28 root 2, which is given in the question to prove RHS equal to LHS equal to RHS. So this will become equal to right hand side, as we have to prove the given question equal to 28 root 2. So therefore we get LHS equal to RHS. So this type of question, this can be useful for all types of exam, like for 9th and 10th class also students, and also for competitive. So this question belongs to the law of exponent. So using of law of exponent, you can solve this problem easily. This is the tricky one, but you can solve easily by using, if you know all the laws of exponent, you can prove this type of question. Okay, thank you.